So here I am in my Poco X2. Just go to settings, then go to about phone, and here on MIUI version tap on it for about 7 times and it will show that you are now a developer. So now go to additional settings. Okay, now down to here, developer options. See, it is on. Now come down here in USB debugging and turn this on, and it will show you a warning. You just have to accept this, and then after this make sure you have an active internet connection, and you just turn this installed via USB. It will be off for your device. Just turn this on, and also this USB debugging security settings, you turn this also on. So now your USB debugging is enabled. Okay, now let's go to our laptop. So you just download the two things I have provided you with the link, and after downloading, see, this is a application file JDK. You just install it, and I have already installed it, so I'll not reinstall it. After installing, you just open this executable jar file once. So let's open it, and after opening you will see here, or it may download the latest JDK, and it may show a message here. Okay, then let it download, and so see here it will show looking for devices, and once you connect your device it will automatically detect it. So here I am in my phone, and I'll plug my phone to my laptop, and you will see here I'll switch on file transfer, and my USB debugging is on, and now let's come to my PC. So I am connected with my phone. Now let's open this file. Say it will show you device connected in ADB mode. So see, here is your phone, and here is ADB. There is uninstaller, reinstaller, disabler, enabler, whatever you like. So first of all, I'll locate my cleaner app here, and you can see the cleaner app here. Com MIUI clean master. So here are so many bloatwares which you cannot disable or uninstall in your phone, but you can uninstall via this app, and it is so helpful to remove the bloatwares. And in my case, I will only uninstall the cleaner. So I'll just click on here cleaner, and I'll click on uninstall. So I want to proceed. Yes. See, app cleaner, and it is done. That is it. See, I can reinstall my cleaner from here. And another thing I want to show you is see, you can remove actually all of your bloatwares from this, like this MI credit, MI file manager, MI pay, whatever bloatware you want to remove, you may remove, but be very careful, because if you by chance remove any system essential apps, your phone may, it may not work properly, it may have boot loop issues or that. And so guys, I hope my video was useful, and if another thing, and if any more updates come in your phone regarding that MIUI, your cleaner, and all the bloatwares that you uninstalled, it will reappear. So you just open that app again on your laptop or PC and just uninstall it again, and it's easy as you just saw. So best of luck guys with that cleaner, and second of all, be careful, don't uninstall any system apps. And that is it. Bye for now.